In this video, I am going to show you how to change the pivot point of an object in Blender. And by default, the pivot point is usually in the middle, so I'll just click on the object and just choose to rotate by pressing R on my keyboard, and you will see the pivot point is on the middle. So to change this, first we have to select the object and go to edit mode by pressing the tab key on your keyboard. Now select the vertex, edge or face where you want the new pivot point to be. Let's say I want my new pivot point to be in this particular angle, so I'll just click on it and you will see a little white icon. And once that it is selected, just press Shift and S key on your keyboard and make sure to choose cursor to selected. Now just press tab key once again on your keyboard to go to object mode, and after that just go to the object at your top and go to set origin and go to origin to 3D cursor. Now when I rotate it, you will see the pivot point has been successfully changed. This is especially useful when you want to rotate or scale object from a specific point instead of center. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.